Hello everybody, my name is Yashashwini. I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering 2nd Sem. So today I'm here with a new video that is on the subject Python. So the topic which we are going to discuss in Python is data types in Python. So let's start. So first we'll see the introduction to data types in Python. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means that variables can hold values of different data types. Understanding data types is crucial for effective programming in Python. Python offers several built-in data types. They cater to different data manipulation needs. So as we know, data types in Python is very much important. If there is no data types, there will be no program which will be done properly. So next one is, now let's see the different types of data types. So the first one is the numeric data types. So Python supports three main numeric data types, that is int, float and complex. So these data types are used only when we are using the numerical data, so like the numbers which we use in doing the code. So while that we use this types of data, that is int, float and complex. The int data type represents whole numbers without a decimal point. The float data type represents number with a decimal point. So here, as we understood, that int data type represent whole numbers only. So it doesn't take any decimal points. So float, we use floating point in the data types for the decimal points. If we use any kinds of decimal points to be written in the code, we use floating. So next one is the string data type. So in Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. So string can be indexed and silenced to access individual characteristics or subsets. Python provides a wide range of strange multiplications methods for tasks such as concentration, splitting and formatting. So as we know, string data type is the most important data type which we use, and the basic thing, that is the string data type is being written in single quotes or either in double quotes. So next one, that is the list data type. So a list is an ordered collection of items enclosed in the square brackets. List can obtain elements of different data types. Elements in list can be accessed using indexing and silencing, and new elements can be added or removed dynamically. So as we know that list which have to be written in only in the square brackets, it is represented inside the square brackets only. So list can contain elements of different data types. It can be either decimal, either the normal whole numbers, it can be anything, like any elements can be defined in a data type. So elements in the list can be accessed using indexing and silencing, like it can be numeric can be added or it can be removed in anyhow. So the next one, that is the tuple data type. So tuple is an ordered collection of items closed in the parenthesis. So tuples are similarly to list but are immutable, meaning these elements cannot be modified once defined. Tuples are commonly used when you want to ensure data or create a collection of constant values. So a tuple, that is being represented in the square brackets. So as we can see in this diagram, tuple versus list. So tuple versus list, that is the very important concept which has to be learnt. So the next one is the dictionary data type. So a dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pair enclosed in the curl braces or created under the dict. Each key value pairs representing and mapping between the key and its associated value. Dictionaries allow efficient access to value using their corresponding keys and are useful for the storing and recovering data. So as we know that the data type, dictionary data type, which is being enclosed in these curly brackets or by the normal round brackets. So each key value pair represents a mapping. So the next data type, that is the set data type. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements enclosed in the curly brackets or created using the set of the round brackets. Sets do not allow duplicate values and they support mathematical sets operations like union, intersections and difference. Sets are useful for tasks such as removing duplication from a list or checking numbership or elements. So the set data types also being represented inside the curly brackets or by the set, that is the round brackets. So next one is the boolean data types. So boolean data types, we know this boolean data types, which is in physics and in the computer science, which is very much important. These gates like NOT, AND, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So this is all the basics of the logic gates which come under the boolean data types. So now let's see what is boolean data type. The boolean data type represents the true value, true and false. It is used for the logical operations and conditional statements. Boolean values are the basics for decision making in programming. So Boolean data types is also plays a very important role in the Python language. So now we have come to the end. So let's see the summary, the brief summary. So first let's see these different types of data structures in this picture. So that is divided into two, that is the built-in and user defined. Then the built-in functions are lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries. So the user defined, that is array, stock, graph, etc. These all come under the user defined. So the summary, that is Python offers a rich set of built-in data types to handle various kinds of data. Understanding and using the appropriate data type is kernel for effective programming and data manipulation. Python's flexibility in handling data types makes it variety language for a wide range of applications. So Python is used in many and vast companies nowadays, which is coming into existence. So it is very much important to learn Python, and it is a little bit tough to learn, but yeah, we can do it. Thank you.